how to change the app icons on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So for you to change the app icons in your iPhone, you will have to make a shortcut to the app. And once you create the shortcut, you will have to change the icon of that shortcut. You cannot natively change the icon of any app as of yet, but this mimics the process and works in the same way pretty much. So let me show you how it's done. First up, click on shortcuts. Once you're here, you can go ahead and click on the plus symbol on the top right corner. And once you're here, click on open app. And once you're here, click on the shadow app. And once you click on the app, you can go ahead and click on the type of app that you want to open. See, I selected Drive. And once you do that, you can go ahead and click on the send button on the bottom. And once you click on send, you can go ahead and click on add to home screen. Now this is where all the customization is done. As you can see, I have created a shortcut for Drive. I can name the shortcut and also change the icon. Surprise, surprise. This is what you came for while you searched for the video. And once you're here, you can go ahead and take a picture or even choose a photo on what your icon should be. And once you do that, and as you can see, I have changed the icon, you can click on add. And just in case, press the play button to make sure that the app is opening. As you can see, it is. You can see that I have a password and all, but that depends on what kind of shortcut you have and what kind of app it's going to open up. As you can see on my home screen, I have the app and the icon is also customized. So once I click on it, Drive is opening up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.